Hello, 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 hello. Good evening to everybody. Can you hear me? Hello, hello, hello. Can you hear me? Yes. Now observe it here. Don't write it anything. These are demo classes. Just observe it. Oracle 19C. What is this one means? I will tell you. Maybe so many fellows having idea. Oracle is a product from Oracle Corporation. Same like a Java, same like a .NET, same like a Python. This is a software product only. 19 means a version number. This Oracle software product was released in 1978 onwards, 1.0, 2.0, 3.0, 4.0, 5.0, 5.1, 6.0, 6.1, 7.0, 7.1, 7.2, 7.3, 8.0, 8.1.5, 8.1.6, 8.1.7. These three versions are also called as combination a Oracle 8i. I means internet technology, don't worry. 9i, 10G grid computing, 10G, 11G, 12C, 18C, 19C, latest one, 21C. C means cloud technology. Nowadays, everyone knows cloud computing only. That's why Oracle is a product from Oracle Corporation. 19 is a version number. C means cloud technology. Okay, fine. Now slowly observe it here. What is this Oracle means? So many fellows having idea. Oracle is a database product. Oracle is a database product. Oracle is a database product. SQL Server is a database product. MySQL is a database product. Suppose Java is an object-oriented language. C++ is an object-oriented language. You have an idea or not? Visual C++ is an object-oriented language. Like that only here, these are database softwares. Oracle, SQL Server, DB2. These are database softwares. Now here, observe it here. Maybe so many fellows having idea. Don't write it. Just observe it here. Non-technical person purpose, I am telling only. Oracle is a database software. Now slowly observe it here. What is the purpose of these database software? Means suppose in my system, I'm installing a Oracle software like this. Here, this is a Oracle software. Whenever I'm installing a Oracle software, this is a database software in my system. What is the purpose means? To store data permanently. Suppose today I'm storing some data or information. After 100 years also, I'm viewing a so now here, yes, that data is available. Permanently storing. Not only storing, so much of things are there. Observe here, main purpose is these database softwares you are installing in your system, then those softwares through to store data. What is the purpose of database software? To store data permanently. Permanent. To store data permanently in secondary storage devices. Secondary storage devices means always hard disk in a disk only. Okay, secondary storage devices. Now check it out. Slowly observe it here. Okay, this is also so many fellows having idea. But unfortunately, Oracle is a database product. What is the purpose? To store data permanently in secondary storage devices. I know, you know, everyone knows. But what is the purpose we are storing the data? These type of databases, okay, available in a where outside, okay, market only? Yes. Everywhere database software is available in every software technology side also. Suppose, for example, you are a first time newcomer, non-technical person, means you are take any organization. For example, bank you are taking only. Bank stores, maintain a what database? Banks maintain a what? A database only. What is the purpose? They are storing a what data permanently, maintain a what? A database, either Oracle, either SQL Server, in a database also it will be maintained. What is the purpose? Banks maintain a what database means everyone knows for storing a what day-to-day transactions. For storing, everyone easily understandable for storing day-to-day, day-to-day, day-to-day transactions. What is day-to-day transaction means everyone knows. Suppose here, I am also, you are also account holder. You are going to where bank. Whenever you are going to bank, you are depositing some money. Whenever you are withdrawing a what some money, whenever you are transferring a what amount from one account to another account, these all transactions are, yes, changes are permanently stored in a where disk is important. Suppose you have a 10,000 rupees are there, you are withdrawing a what, so now here 3,000 rupees means remaining 7,000 rupees are permanently stored in a where database. Those details are those transactions, when, which time you are withdrawing, which time you are depositing only, how you are transferring amount of money from one account to another account, online account. These all the details are permanently stored in a where, some place only required. Once that permanently data is storing in a future for the reference purpose only we are using. That's why banks maintains a what databases. Suppose here your railway reservations and okay, so now flight tickets reservation and also so now bus tickets. These all the applications are database applications. Suppose nowadays food coupons, that is a Zomato, okay, Swiggy. These type of applications are always so now database applications. Suppose online shopping portals also database applications. In a Google, you are typing about something where the data is coming from in a database. Everywhere, 95% of the software applications are in a backend only database softwares are available. That is not visible, okay, but I'm agree. Now here, but internally, okay, database softwares. That applications for real-time uses, on another class only, I'm telling, don't worry, demo class side. Now check it out. That's why always everyone knows Oracle is a product from Oracle Corporation. This is a what type of product? Database product. These database products are stores data permanently in secondary storage devices. This is everyone knows. Every software engineer or non-technical person also roughly they have an idea. But unfortunately now onwards different. Suppose I'm installing a Oracle software in my system. In a future you are also installing. Don't forget, just observe it. Very interesting. Whenever you are also installing a what Oracle software into our system, automatically some place is created in a disk. Maybe this place is called database. Okay, fine, a database. So now here, yes, this is a database. Okay, fine. Now observe it here. Now onwards observe it here. I have a doubt. You are also have some fellows having a doubt only in our class. In this database, any type of random collection of data we are storing. Possible or not possible? Any type of data we are storing in this place only, possible or not possible? Anybody? Very good. All are telling a possible, they are telling wrong one. Not possible. Impossible. So now here we cannot store a random collection of data in these type of databases. These databases are Oracle, SQL Server, DB2, Sybase, Informix, MySQL, Postgres, Ingress. These databases are implemented based on some concept is there in a future. We are learning relational data model is a concept is there. Don't worry. That's why these databases stores a what? A structured collection of data, not a unstructured. Nowadays, MongoDB, these type of databases stores a what? Unstructured data. But yes, these type of databases, Oracle, SQL Server, DB2, Sybase, Informix, these type of database softwares are stores a what? Structured collection of data, not a random collection of data. That is important. This is so many fellows are doesn't have an idea. So now here, observe it here. Suppose in a future, you are learning about Oracle database, SQL Server database, anything. Now here, yes, data is stored in the format of tables. Observe it here. Suppose here, this is organized fashion only, a structured manner only data is storing. A structured manner only data is storing. An organized fashion only data is storing. Otherwise, a table format only data is storing only. Why table format means E.F. Cod, he is a mathematician. He is only introducing 1970 side in IBM company, this type of structure only. Because he is a mathematician, he decided to represent the data in the format of matrix. Matrix are nothing but rows and columns are there or not? Yes, here. Same logically, yes, he is representing our data in the format of table. That is a structured way, organized way. Once a structured collection of data is there, only structured collection of data we are storing in the where these type of databases. Structured collection of data is there, not unstructured. Only structured collection of data only we are storing in a where in these type of databases. Which type of databases? Oracle is a product from Oracle Corporation. This is a relational database. What is relational means? In a format of tables. Don't worry, that is later. Oracle is a product from Oracle Corporation. That is also stores the data, structured collection of data. Again, anybody having any other popular products? Very good. Some fellows are telling Murali, sir, SQL Server is a product. Correct. SQL Server is a product, popular product from Microsoft. This is also relational database. This software also stores a what? Structured collection of data. Anybody having any another softwares? Very good. MySQL is a open source. Nowadays purchasing by the where Oracle Corporation. Now here, yes, this one also stores a structured collection of data. Very good. One fellow is telling Murali, sir, in my mobile database is available. Yes, database is available. SQLite is a what? A database is there. This is also son of your structured collection of data only storing. Most of the 90% of the databases are nowadays relational database that stores structured collection of data. MongoDB, that is another thing that is different. That is no SQL. This is different only. And now here, suppose anybody having idea DB2 from IBM company. So now that is also stores a what? Structured collection of data. Here Sybase is a what? Ingress company. So now this is also stores a what? Structured collection of data. Again, Postgres. So many databases. Teradata, very good. Some fellows are telling, Murali sir, I am learning about data warehousing technology. In that one, Teradata is there. Very good. Teradata also NCR Corporation product. That is also stores a what? Structured collection of data. Okay. Once a structured collection of data is there, I am also, you are also project side. Okay, we are operating a data. I am a developer. You are a developer. You are okay. So operating a data in this databases means one language we are using only. What is that language? Very good. SQL is a language. Structured query language. One language is required to operate this data. This type of relational database operating means one language is required. That language name is SQL is a language, structured query language. This language was implemented by, introduced by which person? EF card only, DSL alpha language name. That name is changed into Square. Square is changed into SQL. SQL is changed into SQL nowadays. Don't worry, that history is there. He is only introducing, EF card only introducing, don't worry. He is only introducing relational database softwares and as models. And also this SQL language also. SQL is a non-procedure language. Variables are not there. Loops are not there. Very simplest language, command line language only. Through this language only, we are operating a data in a where these type of relational databases. Okay, fine. Now check it out. Concentrate here. Really that is correct? Yes, I'm checking only. I'm interested to check. Suppose in a future, you are learning what this course means. Just observe it here. These are the table format only data is there. Observe here. Yes. Oh, maybe matrix format only data is there or not? Here, these are columns are available. These are rows are available. Only structured collection of data. Yes, you are observing or not. In this employee number column, only numbers are available. Oh, maybe this is a structured manner they are arranging a data. Again, this ename is a column is there. In this column, only characters are there. You are observing or not? Again, here higher date is a column is there something. Only dates are available. Oh, maybe structured manner only data is there or not? Okay, table format only data is there. You are observing or not? Again, because tables nothing is there. Now here, suppose here I'm typing what this one, what is that one? I will tell you later. Suppose, for example, in a project site, this table is there. Today, here New York is a location is there. For example, in my project. Now suddenly my manager asking only Murali change this New York location into this department New York location into Hyderabad is a location they're asking. Whenever they're asking that one, I am a good professional, you are a good professional means we are typing a what? Some commands that is called SQL language. Just one line of coding or two lines of coding. Simple. Suppose update table name. Later you are familiar. These are all the things very easy. And now this is the coding you are writing only in a future. These are easiest coding. Anybody non-technical person also learning only very easy. So now how you are writing this coding, you are learning simple. And now observe it here. This is I'm typing only. Just observe it here. Update, delete, insert, select. Like this only some commands are there. These commands are also called as SQL language, structured query language. Through these commands only, we are operating a data. Suppose you are inserting a ATM card in a where ATM machine. Now you are depositing a money means what is that one? Update command, update table name, set, update, suppose bank, set balance is equal to balance plus new amount only, where account number is equal to some coding. That one. Because software means coding is there, but not a difficult coding. That is a logical coding, only this one. And now here really that is affected or not, these type of commands I'm typing, no, this is called SQL language. And now here check it out. Yes, this is affected. Okay, yes, correct. Here Newark is a location is there in a previous case. Now here in this case Hyderabad is a location is there or not. That's why always I'm typing about some commands only, that is called SQL language. That's why Oracle is a product from Oracle Corporation. That is a relational database or database products. What is the purpose of the database product? Means to store data permanently in a secondary storage devices. But unfortunately, this Oracle or SQL Server or MySQL or DB2 or Sybase, Informix, Ingress, Postgres, Teradata, these type of database softwares are also called as relational database softwares. Why? Because in these softwares, data is stored in the format of tables, that is a matrix formats. Once data is there in a very structured manner, we are operating, you are also operating a data in these databases. One specialized language is required. What is that language? SQL is a language. Okay, na? Yes, but unfortunately, suppose you are joining in a company. You are working in a Oracle project, for example, but if you are okay, so if you want to operate a Oracle, then not only SQL language, another language also required nowadays. Not only SQL language. Anybody have an idea? PlSql is a language, very important. SQL is a structured query language, extension of the SQL language. Some other C, C++, Java, these languages you have an idea, no? Maybe some fellows have an idea, variable declaration, loops are there, no? Procedure language concepts, they are embedded. Same like a similar concept, they are embedded in a SQL language to control the server purpose only. And now here, yes, that is called PlSql language. These two languages through we are operating a data in a database. This language is available in a occasion of an Oracle 6.0 version onwards, don't worry. And now SQL is a non-procedure language. Little bit of procedure language concepts they are embedded, that is called PlSql. Again, another one, not only these two languages, in a company side we are using a what? Which one? A little bit of knowledge is required. Dynamic SQL is a language. Dynamic SQL is a language. Maybe so many fellows have an idea. That's why if you want to operate a Oracle product in our company side, then we are using a what? Which language? SQL is a language. PlSql is a language regularly. Little bit of knowledge is required in a dynamic SQL. These three languages you are good means then you are operating a what? Data in a Oracle product. And also anywhere in the worldwide you are learning a courses, anywhere in the worldwide. It is a software means worldwide. Now here, yes, Oracle course we are learning means in that course they are telling a what? SQL language, PlSql language, dynamic SQL language concepts they are telling. Okay, na? Yes, here these three languages daily we are using means you are also operating what? Data in this database. Suppose here 1 minute, observe here. SQL language means nothing is there, very easy. Some commands are there, observe here. In a future, we are learning our SQL language means some commands, DDL, DML, some commands. Just observe here, simple language commands are there. These commands we are learning 1 or 2 lines of coding like this only. Insert, update, delete, like this only. Just here, how we are writing. These are all the things we are learning in our course. But in SQL language, main concepts means joins is a concepts are there. Joins means retrieve the data from multiple tables. This onwards important. Every database also joins retrieve. Suppose you are attending interview, they are asking, I want to retrieve data, fetching data from multiple tables. How can I? They are asking. In that case, you are learning these left outer, right outer, full outer. Some fellows having idea. Okay, fine. Then, okay, constraints are there, primary key, foreign key, check, unique, not null, invalid data entry, we are stopping means constraints is a chapters are there, observe here. Primary key, foreign key, check like this. Again, now here in this SQL language only, subquery is a chapter is there, observe here. Subquery means suppose you are a Java programmer, you are attending interview. Yes, interviewer asking, I want to, okay, I write a query to display second highest salary employee. Write a query to display fifth highest salary employee. Write a query to display nth highest salary employee. How can I means compulsory you are learning about subqueries, query within another query. Okay, observe it here. Just I am dragging only like this. Now here subquery chapter you are familiar. Then so many chapters are there, sequences, views, indexes, okay, so many concepts are there, okay, like that. In a way, PlSql is another concept is there. Observe it here, PlSql. 1 minute only. Here, there is a little bit of coding is there. Don't afraid only. Just observe it here. Here, this type of PlSql coding is there. No, coding means not a difficult coding, very easy. Here we are learning. Now here, yes, PlSql introduction we are learning. Cursors is a concept is there in a PlSql exception. Same like a try catch throw and finally is there. No, something is there. Subprograms, stored procedures, stored functions. Something is there. Triggers are there. Packages are there in that PlSql course. Collections are there. Bulk bind is there. Rip cursors are there. Local subprograms are there. SQL loader, UTL file packages, external tables, mutating error, like this only these type of big chapters are there. Don't worry, those are all the things we are learning in our course side. That's why always, if you want to operate a Oracle product, then you are joining in a company means you are very good knowledge in a where SQL, PlSql languages, you have an idea. Then we are operating a data in a where this database. Otherwise, some fellows are SQL language through also they are getting a job. Some fellows are PlSql language also through PlSql developer getting a jobs only. How means next class side I'm telling which type of jobs are there on all these things. Big concept. Okay, fine. Okay, now here, but unfortunately, slowly observe it here. Now concentrate here. Now concentrate. You are a first time newcomer, for example. Where so many fellows having a doubt means that is I'm concentrating. Why? Because so many fellows are where they are confusing how easily they are remembering what that concept means. I will tell you today. For example, don't write it. These are demo classes. Now check it out. Concentrate here. Suppose this is very interesting only. 5 or 10 minutes concentrate. Maybe you are also understandable all the things, I think. Suppose I am working in a company, for example. Very interesting. Slowly, this answer you are telling me is great, really, really great. Okay, first time newcomer who are working professional means they well-known persons. Suppose I am working in a company. In my company, I am working in a project side. Oracle is a project. For example, Oracle product is their database product. But I am also, my colleagues also operating a what? This Oracle product, otherwise Oracle project side only. I am also, my colleagues also using a what? Which language? SQL is a language we are using daily. I am using, my colleagues are using a what? This SQL language through, by using this SQL language commands, we are operating a data in a where? Oracle database. Okay, fine. Up to now, more clear. There is no problem. But unfortunately, company means so many software projects are there. Same like a Oracle, another project is there that is called SQL Server is a product from Microsoft. This project also running on, okay, in a company side. Some other my colleagues are working in a way this product only. Okay, for example, same like a Oracle only, similar concepts are there. Don't worry. These persons also operating a what? This is also relational database. These persons also operating a what? This SQL Server database. Then they are using a what? Which language? Same SQL language only they are using. Okay, fine. What is this one? Now here again concentrate here. Suppose here some fellows are using a sorry in my company. Yes, here another project is there. MySQL, that is also relational database. Now here these workers who are working in a where MySQL database also they are operating a what? Same like a Oracle, same like a SQL Server. They are operating a data in a where this MySQL relational database. In that case also they are using a what? Which language? Yes, SQL is a language they are using. Observe here. Suppose some Teradata programmers also SQL language they are using for operating a data in a database. Again, a vocation of DB2, Sybase, Informix, these all programmers also SQL language they are using. But What is my doubt? Otherwise, so many students having a doubt. These all SQL languages are same or different? Maybe guess it. Same or different? What is this one? This is so many fellows having a doubt only. Same or different? Only one answer is correct. Oracle is a product from Oracle Corporation. That is a relational database product that is operating means compulsory. We are using SQL language. There is no choice. Maybe some fellows having idea. Same like a Oracle, SQL Server, MySQL, Teradata. These are relational database softwares are there. Those database softwares from different companies also. Those softwares operating also same like a Oracle. They are also using SQL language. But unfortunately, these all SQL languages are same or different. I'm confusing only. And now anybody guess it? Anybody technical persons are there? Tell me. These all SQL languages are same or different? Only one answer is correct. Very good. So many fellows are in our class. They are telling a what a wrong answer. What they are telling, Murali sir, maybe these all SQL languages are same. They are telling same means wrong answer. This is not same, different. What is this one? Why so many fellows are experienced persons also in our class only telling a what wrong answer? Same why they are telling me is maybe academic career side they are learning a what course DBMS theory. I think maybe MCA students or BTech or anything. I don't know. MSc computer. These type of students only learning a what DBMS theory subject. I think in that case lab is there maybe. In that one, maybe MySQL or SQL Server or Oracle, okay, so okay, database, they are giving only product. But in that lab only, maybe initial stage, they are typing a what, insert, update, delete, some select commands they are typing, I think. Yes, very good. Some fellows are telling I am doing the project. Yes, CEO. And now here, whenever they are typing a what, these type of commands means maybe 4 or 5 commands, insert, update, delete, select, these commands are same. That's why they are telling a what same only. But unfortunately, 4 or 5 commands only same. Based on that one, don't take a decision. Okay, these are same only. These are different. How we are given the guarantee these are different only? How we are understandable means simple technique is there. What is the technique means? Today I will tell you. These are different, very good. Some fellows are guessing only. How your vocation of your yes, you're telling a what these are different means simple technique is there. Maybe anybody technical persons are there in our class. Maybe some Java, C++, these type of basics. Anybody having idea? Anybody in our class? Yes, very good. Some fellows are telling now here, yes, I'm good at what that one. Okay. Yes, those type of concepts through we are comparing me is very easy now. Very easy now. Now check it out. Maybe so many fellows. Technical persons observe it here. Now here, check it out. Check it out. Observe it here. Okay, any person okay who are not good at what okay Java, C++, don't worry, but just observe it here. Some concepts are there, same similar concepts we are comparing here in this language means then these are different or same, you are understandable. Suppose for example, okay, slowly I will tell you because newcomers are there, non-technical persons. Slowly, okay, suppose in a worldwide so many object oriented languages are there. This is a best example, easily understandable. So many object oriented is some concept is there, don't worry, technical persons having idea. So many object oriented languages are there in a worldwide. Okay, fine. Software languages. What are the object oriented languages are there? C++ is object oriented language, Java is object oriented language, .NET is object oriented language, Python, okay, son of here okay, Visual C++ is object oriented language. These type of so many languages are there in a worldwide. Okay, I'm agree. But unfortunately, academic career side, slowly observed here, 2 languages are popular languages they are learning. Maybe outside also so many fellows are working only. Now observe here, through that languages, we are comparing a difference, you have an idea. Then same thing is there in a way Oracle, SQL Server, DB2, similar concepts are there. Then you are telling you what very easily, these vocation of your SQL languages are same or different. Within 5 minutes, we are waiting means you are also telling. Observe here, concentrate here. Suppose this is a best example, simple. Suppose C++ is an object-oriented language. Okay, I'm agree. Slowly observe here, easily, non-technical person also understandable. Java is an object-oriented language. Okay, I'm taking 2 languages only, comparing purpose. Observe here. Not a so many things, something I'm telling. Suppose in a C++ is an object-oriented language, no? That's why in a C++, oops, features are there, object-oriented features are there. Okay, fine. Here also object-oriented features are there. Okay, object-oriented features are there. What are the object-oriented features means? Some concepts are there. Maybe so many fellows having idea. Maybe now here anybody academic career they are good means yes. Oops, feature means what is object, what is class, what is encapsulation, what is inheritance. Okay, so now here observe here. Now here yes, what is inheritance and also polymorphism. These type of concepts are called, so now here object oriented features. Again here also in a Java also same similar concepts are there. Object oriented feature. Oh, what is object? Observe here, slowly observe here. What is object? What is class? What is inheritance? What is polymorphism? What is encapsulation? These type of concepts are available. Okay, fine. Observe here. Don't write it. Non-technical persons are there. That's why what is this one? I am not telling. Just observe here. Some concepts are there, similar concepts. But unfortunately, conceptually, these object-oriented features are same in these two languages. But unfortunately, slowly observe here. Slowly observe here. Suppose anybody, you are also try to create an object from the class. What is class? What is object? Later. Okay, fine. Observe here. I try to create an object from the class. What is the syntax in a C++? In a technical persons, tell me. Technical persons are good knowledge is there in this case, I think. Very good. What is the syntax means? Here, class name. Observe here, class name space object name. This is the way they are creating a what a syntax means. Then they are creating an object from the class. Okay, fine. Same syntax I am using in a Java working? No. In a Java side also, we are creating a what? Yes, your object from the class means slight difference only. Same syntax is there? No. Here, class name. Anybody have an idea? Anybody technical persons tell me? Class name space object name is equal to new class constructor. Something is there or not? Yes, here. This is called syntax of the where object creation from the class. But unfortunately, oops features observed, these oops features are same. You are observing or not? What is what is object, what is class, what is inheritance, same in a where in a features are same in a where Java and C++. But syntactically different or same? Different. Because this language is different, this language is different. That's why syntactically different. Syntactically different. Yes, here we are creating an object from the class means, so now here class name space object name. Again in a Java, yes, you are creating a what? So now object from the class means different syntax only, syntactically different. Very, very, very important. Not only syntactically different, observe here, observe here. Yes, in a functions are there, that is also different. Suppose in a C++, anybody technical programmers are there. If you want to display stream output means cout is a function we are using only. Through that one, we are displaying a what stream output only. Suppose same function we are using in a Java working. No, how it is working, that is a different language only. That's why system dot out dot println we are using or not. Yes, so many fellows are having idea. Through this one only, now here, yes, we are displaying a what stream output only. Okay, that's why features are same. Okay, what features means object oriented features, not all features. Features are same. What is what or anything, but syntactically different. Yes, functions also totally different. Same like this concept, same like this concept. Observe here. Same like this concept only in our Oracle and SQL Server DB2 also. Same concept, your imagination means you are understandable. Now check it out. Slowly observe here. Slowly observe what I am telling. In a C++, Java, these object-oriented languages side, always features are same. Only object-oriented features, but syntactically different. Okay, na? Features means not all the features. Okay, some syntactically different, functions also different. Same like here. Observe here. Observe here. Oracle, SQL Server, DB2, Sybase, Informix. These products are relational database products. These products we are operating means SQL is a universal language. I am agree. SQL is a ANSI standard language. Observe here. SQL is a basically ANSI standard language. Observe here, ANSI standard language. ANSI standard language, which works in all databases. I'm agree. ANSI standard language only, but unfortunately, from this ANSI standard SQL, Oracle Corporation creating their own SQL language, SQL Server creating their own SQL language, MySQL creating their own SQL language. Observe here. Yes, SQL is an ANSI standard language which works with all relational databases. Okay, Oracle, SQL Server. Okay, so now here MySQL like this only. But unfortunately, from this ANSI standard SQL language, Oracle creating a what? Their own SQL language. Oracle Corporation creating a what? Their own SQL language. That is called Oracle SQL. This is so many fellows are doesn't know. Oracle SQL language. Again, Microsoft creating a what? Their own SQL language from this ANSI standard SQL. That is called SQL Server SQL. Most powerful. Again, MySQL creating a what? Their own SQL from this okay ANSI standard SQL language. That is called MySQL SQL. That's why in these languages side, features are same like a Java, C++. Here also table is there. Here also table. Here also table. Here view, here view, here view, sequence, sequence, synonym, index. Like this only conceptually same, but unfortunately syntactically different. Syntactically different. First one or two or three comments are the same, but advanced case syntactically different. Not only syntax as functions also different. Functions also different. Suppose in our Oracle SQL null values we are handling means NVL is a function we are using generally. Okay, for example, technical terminology. NVL is a function we are using only whenever we are operating a what? Yes, here null values, arithmetic operation performed on null values, again it will become a null. To overcome that problem, NVL is a function I am using in a Oracle SQL language side. You are also using. Same function we are trying to use in SQL Server language working. No, how it is working, that language is different. Only conceptually same, what is what or anything, but syntactically different and functions also different. Already same like a C++ Java side only. Yes, here in NVL function is working. No, is null is a function is there. Through that one only. Now here we are operating a what? Null values in a way conceptual same, null values in a way in a okay, so now SQL Server side. Again, MySQL side same NVL or is null we are using. Okay, no, not working. If null is a what? A function is there. That's why different languages. So now conceptually same also, syntactically different and functions also different. That is important. How you are understandable this one means, oh, maybe same like a C++ and Java. We are comparing means those are object-oriented languages. In those languages side, conceptually, concepts are same. No, same means okay, what is what? Object, inheritance, polymorphism, like this. Again, in that case, difference is there. Okay, just generally, psychologically. And now here, yes, but syntactically different and functions also different. Is there or not? Yes, here. Same like here also. Yes, Oracle, SQL Server, DB2, occasion of Sybase, Informix, Ingress, Postgres. These all database softwares are relational database softwares. If you want to operate those relational database software, means some languages we are using. But this is an ANSI standard SQL language which works on all relational databases. But unfortunately, Oracle Corporation creating their own SQL language from these ANSI standards. That is called Oracle SQL language. Again, Oracle SQL Server is a product from Microsoft. Those persons also copying out some concepts from the where ANSI standard SQL and also their own syntaxes, their own functions they are giving only. That is called SQL Server SQL language. Again, MySQL also creating from the where ANSI standard SQL rules are same, but unfortunately syntactically and functions are totally different. Understood? Yes, here very simplest example only. Through this one, everyone understandable. Okay, na? Yes, here. That's why in our course we are learning about Oracle SQL language. Through that language, we are operating a what? A data in a where Oracle software side. Okay, na? Yes, here. But unfortunately, any one language you are learning also all the languages, same similar concept. Because commanding knowledge, you have an idea means nothing is there. Okay, na? This is the smallest demo class only. Anybody having any doubts means ask me. What type of jobs are there? Really, these softwares we are learning means what are the some advantages, those jobs, those all the things I'm telling. Don't worry. Any demo classes. One fellow is asking, Murali sir, I tried to interested to learn a Oracle, but unfortunately, my friends suggesting only where you are learning what any language, C, but Java, no, not required, not required really. SQL is a language is there, no, this language you are interested to learn means any other language is also not required. Suppose you are joining in a course, for example, minimum software knowledge is required only, but Oracle, SQL Server, DB2, these languages means software knowledge is not required. These are commands. Once you are installing a software, you are typing a commands, you are also understandable. That easy. Very good. Not required in other languages. Only PlSql learning before some basic concepts are required. In that case, in those days only, in a way, in a future, okay, SQL knowledge is there, no, easily understandable. Don't worry. Okay, yeah. Most of the time, Oracle is a better option because Oracle backend, so many languages they are using only Java side, Python side, okay, so now so many languages, okay, PHP side, so many companies are using Oracle. Next means Power BI, that backend is SQL Server, like that one. Okay, other languages are not required. Yes, I don't have any technical knowledge. Then I try to learn Oracle. Yes, easy, possible. A Java programmer side 100% Oracle. 99% of the companies backend side Oracle they are using. Okay, na? Some companies MySQL they are using. SQL Server nobody using. SQL Server means Microsoft product. Yes, Oracle database also so many jobs are there. Which type of jobs? Those all the things. Tomorrow I will tell you. Don't worry. Okay, na? Yeah. Understood? Yes. Thank you for attending this small demo class. Tomorrow I will tell you remaining. Okay, na? One or two demo class. Observe it. Okay, what is going on or anything. Then you have to decide it. This week course will really helpful or not. Check it out. Okay. Duration means more than 3 months only. Parallel you are attending also. 4 o'clock. Okay, PlSql is going on. Okay, those persons are packages going on. Okay. Later you are also attending parallelly. Don't worry. I will tell you. Class timing means up to some stage 5 to 6 only. Okay. Later 6 to 7 also you are attending. Don't worry. I will tell you. First 5 to 6. Okay. Yeah. Yes, they are giving a what video classes also. Okay, video recordings. Okay, maybe in a previous classes recordings are there. No, yes, management will send recordings and PDF file is there. Those are all the things you have to ask management. Okay, yeah. Okay, na? Tomorrow I will tell you. Don't worry. 1 or 2 or 3 days observe it. Okay? Tomorrow continue. Thank you so much. Okay, tomorrow continue. Thank you. Just observe it. Okay, don't worry. Very easy concepts. Don't worry. Once I'm installing, you are installing a software, nothing is there. Very easy. You are only telling. Okay, na? Tomorrow continue. Thank you. One fellow is asking only Oracle SQL and SQL same. No, SQL Server SQL is called SQL. So many fellows. Okay, Oracle SQL language, SQL Server SQL language, DB2 SQL language different. Okay, yeah, very good. Conceptually same, but syntactically and functions are different. Performance tuning we are not telling what in these classes. Why? Because there is a TBA concept, but performance tuning concept auto trace on some concepts are there. Maybe in a PLSQL bulk bind, yeah, exist operator in SQL. Some concepts indexes we are learning. Okay, yeah. Demo classes also attend it. Okay, why? Because you are technically good. Also, some concepts are helpful. Okay, yeah. Okay, na? Tomorrow continue. Thank you.